Good morning, everyone. I am Chalma Reddy. In previous class, we have discussed reduction formula related problems up to 67 in level 1 only. Now I am going to 68 question. Students see the question integration 0 to pi by 6 cos power 4 3 theta sine square 6 theta d theta. So here angle also different. So do one thing. Let take that 3 theta is equal to t. Students observe that. Then what is d theta? D theta is equal to dt by 3. Now, theta value 0 means then what is t value? T value also 0. If theta value pi by 6, then what is t value? T is equal to 3 theta, 3 into pi by 6. So we get that is pi by 2. Those values substitute in the problem. Integration 0 to pi by 2. I am substituted limits. Now cos power 4 3 theta means t. Sine square 6 theta is there. 3 theta means t, 6 theta means 2t. And d theta means what? dt by 3. Now here again sine 2t is that term. What is sine 2t formula? Integration 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4t. Sine 2t formula 2 sine t cos t, but square is there now. Here will come 4 sine square t cos square t into dt by 3. So here 4 by 3 is constant, take outside. Remaining 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4t into cos square t, that is cos power 6t into sine square t dt. Here the powers both are even. Both are even means how to apply the formula we know very well. 4 by 3 into numerator 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 3 into next 6 minus 5 next only 2 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 2 total 8 8 8 minus 2 8 minus 4 8 minus 6. If both are even means last term should be pi by 2 or not, the k value. Now this is simplify that, you will get the answer. Do the simplification. So after calculation, we are getting denominator and numerator and denominator, that is 5 pi by 192. Third option is correct. Students, now level 2 related problems. By using reduction formulas, we are going to solve. See the 36th question. That question they are given integration 0 to pi by 4 sine power 4x cos power 4x dx. Both the powers are even, but limit we want to change. Actually, what is the limit? 0 to pi by 2. But here 0 to pi by 2, pi by 4 is there. So that is we can write like this 0 to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Sine power 4x cos power 4x. We know the property already. 1 by 2 is coming integrate in front of integration. 0 to pi by 2 sine power 4x cos power 4x. Now apply the formula, reduction formula. 1 by 2 numerator 4 minus 1 into 4 minus 3. Second term also same like that. 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3. But the sum of the powers is 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Up to here. Now both are even. So here we get pi by 2. Now calculate this. 1 by 2 numerator. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 divided by 8, 6, 4, 2 into pi by 2. Here calculation 3 2s are 6. Only one term is cancelled. Remaining we get answer 3 pi in numerator. See the options. Only one option is there, first option. So denominator you will get 512. This is answer. See the 37th question. In is equal to integration 1 to e log x whole power n dx. So here use integration by parts. Then we get answer easily. In is equal to integration 1 to e integration 1 to e. What is the first function? What is the second function? So log x whole power n, this is first function, into 1, that is second function. Now apply the formula integration by parts. Log x whole power n is next integration 1 dx. Integration 1 dx x. Then what is the limit? 1 to e minus integration derivative of log x whole power n, that is n into log x whole power n minus 1, internal derivative of log x 1 by x. Next integration 1 dx, that is x whole dx. Here observe that x is cancelled. Now remaining what is there? Apply the upper limit. E log e value 1 power n 1 into e. So you will get, so I am writing clearly 1 power n into e minus substitute 1 log 1 0 power n into 1. This is first term minus take n outside integration log x whole power n minus 1 dx. Now this is calculate only e minus n into this part we are taken in because here n is there, but here n minus 1 is there. What we have to write? In minus 1. Yes or no? But see the question, they are given a plus b in minus 1. So here already given. Compare both. Compare. Then what is a value? What is a value? A value is e. Then b value is minus n. This is the answer. See the options. Which option is correct? First option. Students, all of you understood now? T8. See the question, how to do that? So here we know that shortcut formula, already we have discussed proof also. In is equal to integration 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx. Then in plus in minus 2, that is equal to how much? 1 by n minus 1. This shortcut formula already we have discussed in previous class proof also. But see the question what they are asking, limit n tends to infinite n into in plus 2. Limit n tends to infinite n divided by in plus 2. Here in plus 2 is there is a problem. Okay, wait. In place of n here, in place of n, replace n plus 2. Then what happened? This is. So we get in plus 2 plus in, that's equal to 1 by n plus 2 minus 1, that is 1 by n plus 1. Students, are you understood? Actually, this is original formula. In plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus. But here they are asking in plus 2. Just replace in place of n plus 2. Calculate that. So you will get n plus 1. Now, this is limit n tends to infinite. This type of problems already we are done in first year. Numerator n, denominator take n common. You'll get 1 plus 1 by n. Now, n cancel. Substitute the limit 1 by 1 plus 1 by infinite. 1 by infinite means 0. So total answer is 1. So second option is mains question. If g of x is equal to 0 to x cos 4t dt. Students, how to do this? First find g of x. Integration 0 to x cos 4t dt. What is integration cos? Sine or not? Sine 4t, but t coefficient is 4, right in denominator. Limit 0 to x. So finally this is substitute upper limit sine 4x by 4. If you are substituted lower limit, it is going to 0. This is g of x. Now g of x plus pi they are asking. See, g of x plus pi. Just in place of x, write x plus pi. Sine of 4 into x plus pi. 1 by 4 sine of 4 pi. 4 pi means I am writing 2 into 2 pi plus x plus 4x. 2 pi means 360. 2 into 2 pi means that is 2 revolutions completed. So overall this is 360 plus theta. First quadrant we get 1 by 4 into sine 4x only. Up to here we got. Now see the options. In options, g of pi also is there. So g of x means We know that is 1 by 4 into sine 4x. Students, what is g of pi? Tell me. 1 by 4 sine 4 pi. 4 pi means 2 into 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. 360 or 0. Sine 0, 0. Sine 360 also 0. So these values should be 0. Now, finally, by observing the question and answer, g of x plus pi, how much this is? 1 by 4 sine 4x plus 0 minus 0. Anyone you can write. 1 by 4 sine 4x means this is g of x plus or minus 0 means g of pi. This is the answer. Which option correct, students? Second option.